Yo, I swear I just realized something, chosen ones. I just realized something about this so-called planet we're on, chosen ones. This message is strictly for chosen ones, and you know why. Because the LTSOs, the damn less than smart ones, will never, and see nasty means never, understand what the hell I'm talking about. Yo, they don't want this one thing from us. They hate. Yo, and hate is such a strong word, but it grinds their gears when this happens to us, or we do this. And you know what that one thing is, chosen ones? That, oh my God, they hate when this happens or we do this. What is it, C. Nasty? The suspense is killing us. Tell us. I'll tell you right now. They hate when we smile. Yo, bruh, they hate in this system, in this planet, in this world we are in, chosen ones. They hate to see us smile. That simple act of smiling. Wow. The simple act of expressing joy pisses. Think about it, chosen one. Make it make sense. The simple act of your facial expression expressing joy makes somebody's day bad. Like, it rubs them the wrong way, which is not cool. Feel me? Like, come on, man. Like, yo, we sharing this world together. Like, we're in this cycle of events together. Why the hell does my smile bother you? You smile and I smile with you because I'm happy with you. I'm happy for you. Feel me? But if I'm smiling, oh, yo, you see how you see it. It's not like a full-blown, they're not happy sharing that moment with you. Nah. You know what I'm saying? Because chosen ones, nothing could get past a chosen one. We always looking at micro expressions. Less than smart ones, listen, I'm going to let you in on a secret. We always calculating always calculating your facial expressions. Huh? Comparing them to the last time you spoke truth, if you ever spoke truth in your life. Feel me? We're always studying people and always studying their characteristics. Feel me? That's why nothing can get past us. We're like CIA detectives. Feel me? Listen, the point that I'm making is, yo, they hate to see us smile, bro. And I don't think that's cool. Like, yo, that's why I'm not gonna sit here and let this go on any longer. I'm really not. I'm not gonna sit here and let this go on any longer. So what I'm gonna do, and what I'm doing right now, is I'm putting my voice out there. 7:13 in the morning, because I woke up feeling like I was in the cycles of the pits of hell today, for real. Like, I don't know what the hell was on. Like, yo, bruh. And I just noticed, like, yo, as soon as I woke up, I'm noticing things in the freaking apartment. I'm like, yo, it's just like a bombardment of like stressors. And I'm like, yo, you know what? Not even today, bro. I'm not even gonna feed into nothing. Anything negative, I don't care. I'm gonna just let it I'm gonna be so passive today. Even if I gotta be passive aggressive, I'm gonna just be like, dodging shit like the Matrix, bro. Like, any type of negativity, I might just be smiling all day in people's faces, damn it. Feel me? I'm not feeling at my best, but guess what? That smile will turn me to feeling like my best, damn it. I guess I've been ranting, but listen, chosen ones, if you feel like your smile has been suppressed, yeah, hit me in the comment section. Oh, let's talk about it. Because for real, you are not the only one going through it. They love suppressing a brother's smile or a sister's smile out here. Well, damn it. All right, I'm out of here, man. One love.